Good afternoon, dear children. This is your English teacher. Now take out your English textbook and open page number 58. That is Unit 4, poem Crying. Okay. So, dear children, as you know that I have already explained you the poem Crying. Okay. So let's remind it again so that you can understood it again. So, dear children, in this poem we will come to know whenever we feel sad, whenever we feel like crying, then what should we do. Okay, so before starting this poem, we have also learned some objectives about this poem. Okay, so you feel a different kind of emotions that had various and different kinds of mood. Okay, these are the nothing but the feelings that we feel on different moments. Okay, all the cryings, laughing, okay, happiness and excitement, all are the feelings that we feel on different moments. For example, when someone, as I told you earlier, if someone gives you chocolates or gifts, then how do you feel? You feel happy, is it? So this is an emotion of happiness. When someone pushes you and hurts you, then how do you feel? Yes, you will feel sad. And then if your father takes you to the picnic somewhere where you wants to go, then how do you feel at that time? Yes, at that time you will feel excited, right? So in this type, in different situation, you have different kinds of feelings and emotions. You show different kinds of feelings and emotions. Okay, and if you have not done your homework and you are scared that your teacher will scold you, then how do you feel? You feel worried at that time. Okay, so these are the different emotions, and there are many more emotions also. And whenever you feel different kinds of emotion at different time, so these emotions, how do you control? Okay, how do you control on these emotions? If you are feeling like crying, so how do you control on that emotions? Okay, if you are getting so much excited, okay, so how can you control that emotions? Okay, so all this kind of emotion, how to control it, so we can see in this poem. Okay, so then how do you tackle that emotion? How do you face the situation? So it is all about this. Okay, so then again I am going to explain you this poem, okay, that is Crying. Okay, so let's start. Crying only a little bit is no use. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. Okay, that means the poet is saying that here, whenever you feel like crying, what should you do? You should cry a lot. You should cry until your pillow is soaked, and let the all emotions come out. Okay, and cry till your pillow is wet, and just crying for a small time or a little bit is no use. So whenever you feel like crying, you should cry in wholehearted till your pillow is soaked. Understood? then you can jump in the shower and splash. Then what you have to do? He says that after crying a lot till your pillow is soaked, what should you do? You should then jump into the shower and splash. You should take a shower after crying a lot. Then what will happen after doing this? After taking the shower, what will happen to you? Yes, you will feel refreshed. You will feel happy, relaxed and fresh after crying and after taking the shower. After having the shower and after crying a lot, you can what you should do? Okay, then after that, then you can open your window and ha. And if people say, hey, what's going on up there? Okay, if people say, hey, what's going on up there? Ha, sing back. Happiness was hiding in the last year. I wept it, haha. Okay, that means after having the shower, After crying a lot, you can take the shower. And after taking the shower, what should you do? Yes, you should open the window of your room, and you should laugh out loudly. What you have to do? You should laugh out loudly. Like after taking the shower, what should you do? Open your window, go there and laugh out loudly. Then, when you are laughing and when people ask you that, hey, what is happening, why are you laughing, okay, when people look at you and when they asked what is happening, why are you laughing, what's going on up there, okay, then what should you say to that people? What should you say them? You should say that, haha, sing back. You have to again laugh at them, that is sing back, okay. And what should you tell them? Okay, what should you reply? Tell them that my happiness, my laugh, it was hiding in the last year. Any happiness was hiding in the last year, I wept, okay, and that's why now I am happy, and that's why now I am laughing, because my last year I wept out, okay. In that last year my happiness was hiding, that's why I wept out that last year, and now I am happy, and now I am laughing. You know what does the poet saying in this poem? That whenever children you feel like crying, you cry wholeheartedly, okay. What you have to do? You have to just cry wholeheartedly. Crying a little bit is of no use. Crying a little bit is of no use, okay. If you are crying for a small time, if you are crying for the small time, little bit, what is happening? Little bit you are crying, it is of no use, it is not going to help you at all, okay. It is not going to help you at all. So what should you do then? You should cry wholeheartedly, okay. From your heart you have to firstly cry till your pillow is soaked, okay. And after crying a lot, what you have to do? You should go to the washroom and take a shower, okay. Then after taking shower, you should open the window and you should look out and laugh out loudly. And whenever people are ask you, because you are laughing, okay, and they don't know why are you laughing, so whenever they people asking you that why are you laughing, then you have to just tell them that my happiness or my laugh, it was hiding in the last year that I wept, okay, because my happiness is hiding inside my tears. So what I have done, I have just wept that tear so that I can laugh loudly, okay, so that I can be happy forever, okay. So this is all about this poem, okay. So dear children, tomorrow we will take the question answers part, okay. So if you have any problem regarding to this poem, you can ask me. So till then, it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.